Hey, what's up? Welcome Pep 11 Customs. We're doing Camaro SS, muffler delete, dual tips, chrome tips. We're gonna be chopping off the rear muffler, welding some dual tips, and pretty much that's it. Show nuts is.
Crazy, I get foreign cars drop.
She gonna speak fast, We're gonna do the mid muffler delete. We're gonna make this scat pack loud. So we're chopping off the mid. Good morning. Gonna be doing another wide body kit. So we got the wide body kit and we got a paint mask for him. White factory. Matches his factory paint perfectly. We're gonna be putting these flares on. It's gonna be something like that. It'll be the front flare, fender flare. He didn't opt for the skirts, so no skirts. It's gonna be the door flare right here, quarter panel flare, rear bumper flare. We're gonna be putting that on there for him. He also got wide body wheels and some coilovers. So we're gonna be putting some coilovers on there. That way he doesn't rebound and smack any brackets or nothing like that. So these are Megan Racing coilovers. We're gonna be putting these on. Megan Racing. Megan Racing. Later. So that way we can look.
That one? Wait.
Alright. What's up? We're back. We're making some progress. We have it dry laid right now. It's not stuck yet, so any gaps you see, not finished. Easy fix. As you can see, we got them dry fitted all the way around. Looks amazing. I think the client's gonna be very, very happy with this install. So we do offer the kits here. You can just buy them, install them yourself. We offer painting and we offer installation. If you want to get this done, 5130 Franz Road, Katy, Texas, or hit us up 832-350-4258. So yeah, man, it's coming out really, really good. Praise the Lord. Stay tuned. Such a fat booty right here. Oh, I'm sorry.
You want it?
Want it?
You want a wee?
Looks, his car got a fat booty now. Oh, so wide. It's lost in the sauce over here. Fat booty. Oh, I think you're talking about a girl. Yeah, I am. That's a whole fat booty RT. I already know in the comments. Oh my gosh, why would you do that to an RT? Oh my god. Because it looked good.
So. No, that comes way.
Cool, and you just went straight in.
Why?
You think we should use stick tape then? Yeah, like maybe.